In a world overflowing with sound, where millions of songs are created, shared, and heard every day, one question remains quietly unanswered. Can a machine truly understand music? We often take it for granted, but recognizing the genre of a song, jazz, rock, classical, hip hop, is something our brains do instinctively. For machines, it's a language they have never truly learned. I am Faria.
And I am Mariam Wahab. We are final year students from the Department of Mathematics, and we are honored to present our final year project on classifying song genre by using ML. This project began with a single question and led us to a unique idea entirely our own. We propose something bold to teach machines to see music by converting sound into spectrograms where rhythm becomes shape and melody becomes color. And for the first time, we used the Vision Transformer, a state of the art deep learning model typically used in image classification to decode the visual language to sound.
We trained VIT on GTZen dataset, 1000 songs across 10 genres, and our model didn't just learn to classify, it understood with over 85% accuracy. But innovation means impact, so we will build a simple interactive website where everyone can upload a song and instantly discover its genre.
This journey wouldn't have been possible without the guidance and support of our supervisor, Ms. Tazeen Aisha, and our co-supervisor, Mr. Amar Ahmed Khan. Their mentorship helped us tackle technical challenges, refine our vision, and bring this idea to life. Our vision is simple: to bridge the gap between art and AI, and to create tools that respect human creativity.